Welcome to Absal Plus. In Pakistan, you do not need to carry national identity card in your pocket. You can generate a digital national identity card and keep it in mobile safe. Digital ID card acts as your identity and works wherever needed in Pakistan. To create and use digital ID card, you need to have an app that is Pak Identity. From your mobile, go to App Store and search for Pak Identity. I have already downloaded and installed this app. So after this app is installed, open the app, register to create an account. After your account is created, log in. After login from app dashboard, press digital ID from the top or scroll down and under apply digital cards, press digital ID. If you have not created the digital ID, you need to first apply for it. So to do that, press apply now button. It says your digital ID request is in progress. You will be notified once it is available for download. Press OK. After you submit the digital ID application, you will be able to use your digital ID card very soon. You will receive this kind of notification. Your digital ID is ready to download. You will see success message. Press OK. Then press digital card button to view your digital card. You can share this by pressing share document button, or you can press view button to get the QR code. If someone scans this QR code, they will be able to see your digital ID card. And also you can click my documents to see all available documents that you have requested by using this app. So next time you want to use your digital ID card, visit this area and this app and press digital card to view your digital ID card. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.